everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to link your Instagram to your Pinterest. In order to link your Instagram to Pinterest, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Tap open your Pinterest application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're into your home screen, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. From your profile, tap on the Settings button in the upper right corner. Now in this page, tap on Account Settings under Edit Profile and scroll all the way down and tap on Claimed Accounts. You'll be able to see three options there: Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube. In order to link to Instagram, simply enable the button next to Instagram option, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your Instagram credentials. Once you do that, tap on Login, save your login info, and allow access for Pinterest to receive the following information from your Instagram account by tapping on Allow. And that way you have connected Instagram to Pinterest. That is how it is done. After connecting your Instagram to Pinterest, your pins will be attributed to you or your business within a few days. That means anytime someone saves a pin from your Instagram, it will be attributed or associated with your Pinterest account. That is how you can easily link Instagram to your Pinterest. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.